Hello everyone. As I promised, today I'm telling you how to buy cryptocurrency using Binance exchange. I'm using the Binance, so I want to tell you how to do that. So the first thing is you just come to Binance, you log in to your account if you have one. So you can see here, and then you go to buy crypto, and here you can buy it. Okay, and here should be your method of payment, for example using the card or anyway. So I have the card, everything here. I just put GBP, means the pounds, Britain pounds. If you have that currency, or you can change the currency to AED, Afghani, American, or you can do a lot of things. Armenian, sorry, Armenian and dollars or any currency. There is a lot of currencies. You can see the list. Here is the list. So if you have any currency, you can just put in, and you can get your crypto. So this is how you buy. And here is the selling. So how much you can sell. This is the amount, and you receive in your bank. Okay. So enter amount and select payment. That's how. Here is the market. You can see what is going on today, which one is gaining and which one is losing, and also you can find a lot of things. For example, the graph. So this give you the detail. Here you can see, for example, what's the performance of Bitcoin. You can select 7 days, 1 month, 3 month, for the past year, and a lot of it depends on your range of time you want to know the Bitcoin price. So this graph shows Bitcoin is gaining momentum and the price is going increasing. So this is again buy and sell, market trade. So this all depends on your expertise. Don't invest if you don't know. First know, do some market research, do your research, and then when you are confident, then do it. Okay, thank you.